How do robots define human for their laws? Imagine a robot walking through a busy city street. How does it know who to protect and obey? The answer lies in how robots understand what a human is. Robots follow rules called the laws of robotics, created by science fiction writer Isaac Asimov. These laws are meant to keep humans safe and ensure robots obey. But they do not clearly say what makes someone a human. Instead, robots use their programming and sensors to recognize humans. The first law says a robot cannot hurt a human or let harm happen through inaction. The second law says a robot must obey human commands unless it conflicts with the first law. The third law says a robot should protect itself as long as it does not break the first two laws. These laws put humans at the top of the list for safety and obedience. But how do robots know who is a human? They rely on visual sensors to spot human shapes and faces. They use voice recognition to understand speech. Some robots have biometric sensors that can identify individuals by fingerprints or other unique features. These tools help robots decide if a person is a human that needs protection or obeying. In some stories, robots are programmed with biased ideas about who counts as human. For example, they might only see certain groups as fully human based on language or appearance. This shows that the way robots define humans depends on how they are programmed by their creators. Humanoid robots that look and act like people can make this even more complicated. Some robots might treat androids as humans, while others see them as machines. As robots become smarter, they might even change how they see humans based on their experiences. In real life, defining a human for robots is a big challenge. Engineers use cameras, microphones, and sensors to help robots identify humans accurately. They also program rules so robots can tell humans apart from animals, objects, or other robots. This is especially important in self-driving cars, healthcare robots, and factories where safety is key. So, in the end, robots define a human through their programming and sensors. They look for shapes, sounds, and unique features to decide who needs protection or obedience. But because these definitions are based on technology and programming, they can vary. This makes understanding what a human is for robots both a technical and a philosophical question. It shows how important careful programming and clear rules are in making robots safe and helpful for us.